Hello, beautiful creators. Today, we are going to transform my home office slash studio because it's looking very rough. And I'm gonna show you, I'm so embarrassed, but whatever, this is like the real deal. As you can see here, I have my messy desk. So I have an ultra wide screen, my iPad here, a book here, my PlayStation there, two keyboards, a controller, my work phone, I have my mic, my laptop. It's just a lot going on. You see my coffee that was here since yesterday. And then this is the worst part. This is where I just throw everything. Whatever doesn't fit the scene of the video is going over here. I'm gonna stop by the store, grab a few things, and then I will show you the process of the entire transformation. So let's go ahead and get into it. My husband is actually joining me. Right, babe?
Yep.
There has been a change of plans. Our friends texted us and we're actually gonna meet them for dinner first. So we're gonna go ahead and eat, and then we're gonna go ahead and head to the store and see what we can find, and then we'll continue our little journey on refining the office slash YouTube studio. We made it to the B-Dubs. Oh, there's our friends. Okay, it's the next day because yesterday we went to dinner. We were at dinner for like 2 hours because we love to talk. We went to Home Depot afterwards and it didn't have what I wanted. And then by the time we were done, Walmart was closed. So this morning, I'm gonna head to Starbucks. I'm gonna head to Walmart to see what they have. We're gonna check it out. So let's go. So I have a couple of options here. This is white and it matches like the aesthetic of the room, but this is more sturdy and I like the way it looks. Only thing is that it's black and I wanted it to be white. I can always spray paint it. I don't know. So I'm still deciding. Okay, so I ended up only getting a few things from Walmart because it didn't really have much that I wanted. So I ended up getting this in like the little fake plant section, and I found this vase in the home decor section. It was, I believe, $12 for this, and then this was about $1.50 each, I think. Spring is coming and it just feels like it's right, you know? And then I also found this vase and I was gonna put a plant in it, but the plant I wanted did not fit in it. But I feel like this would look so cute even on its own. So I got this, which was actually cheaper than this one. This one was in the garden section for about $8, $8 to $9. And then I ended up getting a separate vase for my plant, which I got a neon pothos because that's the only plant I have ever been able to keep alive. I don't have a green thumb, but this is the one that I can keep alive and grow, and it thrives. So this is the vase I got it with, but I feel like this really, it's very aesthetically pleasing. It matches each other, and I feel like it's going to bring out more of like a professional feel to the office space. But the one thing that Walmart did not have that I really wanted was actually a mirror with a gold frame. So let's head to Target. I feel like a lot of people struggle with the idea or just struggle with actually investing in their own space when it comes to their workspace, their home office, their cubicle at work. I feel like it's really important to create this space to be as positive or just your aesthetic, whatever makes you feel happy. Because if you're in a space that's lifeless and you don't get inspired from it, you're going to lack motivation, especially the days where you really need to be disciplined. It's going to be a little harder for you because I mean, one, your space is already not the best. It's like so bland or lifeless and you can't continue your work. So for me, it's really important to have my home studio as of my aesthetic as possible. When I have warm colors, when I have beautiful decor, when I have a really good desk to work with that stands and I can sit whenever, everything's better. It feels better. I feel more productive. Man, Target is dangerous because the moment I walked in with that dollar section, I added like 5 things into the car that it didn't even need. Found the mirror that I wanted. We're gonna go ahead and take it back home. And then we're gonna go ahead and continue on with revamping the room. And then we're just gonna fill in the pieces of where I feel like it needs to just be enhanced. But we're gonna work with what we got and what we bought. I am in love with this desk. It's a lot larger, first of all. It's a lot wider and there's a little bit more depth. So where my screen is going to sit, it's not going to feel so up in my face. So with this countertop, I highly recommend it if you want a standing desk with a lot of room. And if you're not willing to spend thousands of dollars just like me, I highly recommend to go to IKEA and buy yourself a kitchen countertop at the size that you want. So this was only $79 and the Amazon desk that I purchased was about $120. So all I did was unscrew the legs, screw it into this, and I saved thousands of dollars. All right, here we are, the big reveal. You guys remember how my office looked before. Super messy, super lifeless, no light to it, and it just didn't give me that positive energy I needed. So let's go ahead and get into the reveal. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and then click on the video on the screen, and I will see you there. Bye!